Securing the WorldPay REST API is crucial to protect sensitive payment information and prevent unauthorized access. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of securing the WorldPay REST API. First, it is essential to understand the basics of the WorldPay REST API and its security requirements. The WorldPay REST API uses HTTPS protocol for secure communication and requires a client certificate for authentication. To secure the WorldPay REST API, start by generating a client certificate. This can be done using tools like OpenSSL. The client certificate should be generated in a secure environment and stored safely to prevent unauthorized access. Next, register the client certificate with WorldPay. This step is critical as it allows WorldPay to verify the authenticity of the API requests. Make sure to follow the WorldPay guidelines for registering the client certificate. After registering the client certificate, configure the API client to use the client certificate for authentication. This can be done by setting the client certificate and private key in the API client configuration. Another critical step is to validate the server certificate. This ensures that the API requests are sent to the legitimate WorldPay server and not to a rogue server. Validate the server certificate by checking the certificate chain and verifying the certificate issuer. In addition to authentication and validation, it is essential to implement secure coding practices when using the WorldPay REST API. This includes using secure protocols for data transmission, encrypting sensitive data, and implementing secure error handling mechanisms. Best practices for securing the WorldPay REST API include using a secure random number generator for generating nonces, implementing a secure key management system, and regularly updating the client certificate and private key. Finally, test the WorldPay REST API integration thoroughly to ensure that it is working as expected and that all security measures are in place. This includes testing the API requests, validating the responses, and verifying the security logs. In conclusion, securing the WorldPay REST API requires a combination of technical expertise and attention to security best practices. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can ensure that your WorldPay REST API integration is secure and compliant with industry standards.